river processes are the stages that a river goes through in order to shape land. The first stage is erosion, where the river picks up debris from its surroundings. Hydraulic action is when the force of the river traps oxygen or air bubbles inside rocks, causing faults and eventually leading to breakages. Abrasion is the wearing away of the landscape due to the friction of debris in the river wearing down the banks and riverbed. Attrition occurs when rocks in the river hit each other, smashing them into smaller, more rounded pieces. Corrosion is the wearing away of the landscape through chemical processes. This may be acids found in the sea that are used to corrode limescale and chalk, meaning they can be carried through the water as a solution, which we'll discuss in a minute. This next section on transportation describes how the rivers intend to transport the eroded material down the river. Traction is very simply when large pieces of debris roll along the riverbed. This is because they are too heavy. Then siltation is when smaller pieces of sediment bounce along the bottom of the riverbed. This is because they are smaller. Tiny particles, such as silts or clays, can be carried through the water current itself, which can also make the water look cloudy. And solution transportation occurs when minerals that are dissolved into the water are carried by the current. Deposition is the river process where debris stops being carried by the river and is deposited. As the river slows and loses energy, the heavier rock is deposited first because it is heavier. The smaller rock is deposited later because it is lighter and requires less energy to carry. Thank you very much for watching.